Here we go, guys. Taking a quick look at AMD Advanced Micro Devices. And yesterday it closed down here. Obviously, in this range is the 2-minute chart. Every candle is 2 minutes of price action, as we see here. And it's coming up. Well, it came up range bound into this high pivot from yesterday, which was a little bit of a resistance. Then also, when you have these big gaps and you get that far and away from the 20, and also even in this case, the 200, you'll get a pullback unless there's, kind of a, I don't know, a huge news or something that's causing the market to jump in. But as you see, we're not getting any follow through. Yeah, it gapped up and we got about 15 seconds. Let me pull this in so you can actually see it. If we take out this previous green candle, we will go short here and look for a pullback into the 200 uh, simple 2-minute, okay, moving average here in this situation. And really what started off was just this huge gap up and no follow through. 70% of the time when you get these big red candles, you'll get follow through the downside. And actually, if we run back up here, I'll let's see, probably right about in here, I'll take another short position, lay on another short position. But we still have, over a minute to go. I did try to back test it, not much there. And then see if we can come down to this 103 area or close to it. The market loves those whole round even numbers. And that's why I'm, you know, looking at a touchdown here. And then also at the same time, when a lot of times these, stocks, any asset, pumps up or jumps up, big green candle, retail comes in there, and then when they realize there's no follow through the upside, which is generally later in the day, they go and start, selling off, which helps, the pullback here. And let's see, got about 20 seconds. So I was going to put you on pause and pick it up, but we got about less than 10 seconds. So in this range, we might get a little, since we dropped this whole level, we might get well, I thought it was going to rebound back up here like that. That's kind of what I'm looking at. And I'll tell you what, we're at 3. I don't know if you can hear that, but anyway, that's some noise outside. Kind of, this is stalemate here. Yeah, there we go. See, that's what a lot of times you get a big pullback, you'll pull up a little bit, back test, come back in. Another minute to go. Okay, if we hit 400 again, I'll go ahead and get out of this thing. And so it'll take a few minutes for it to, consolidate. Here we go. Well, maybe not. It'll take a few minutes for it to consolidate, move back up, then drop, and I don't want to waste that time. There we go. That's good. That's good. Okay, there you go. 540. I'm going to go ahead and take it. 540. And we should come down here and then hit the 200. Let me call it before it does it. Well, 103. What is it? 103.23. Make that blue. And well, let me put you on pause so you're sitting here watching paint dry. Well, also, I was going to mention coming down here, little these pivot zones, all this previous resistance, couldn't get over, rode down, retested, rode over. Anyway, that's something that can slow down the drip to the downside. We're still looking at 103. Yeah, come on. It's coming down into that zone that was previous resistance. So it could definitely help with support here. And then we could get that little bounce like that. Oh, there we go. See if it bounces. Not much. There we go. Now, and then we'll work this area. In other words, if it goes a little lower, we'll add to our long position. See, there we go. Okay, 120 plus our 5, whatever it was. All right, guys, $70. But anyway, just kind of want to show you how this stuff works. It's the 2-minute chart. Also works the same on the daily, hourly, weekly, whatever. But anyway, it is 8:38, October 19th. So you can pull up your chart of AMD and see how this thing reacted. Was that regarding if we get more push to the upside, we roll down and come into that 20 again, which is this blue line here. So, man, it really looks weak today. Everything over here, not everything, but you know what I'm saying, a lot of red in the market. Looks like it's trying to reverse a little bit here. But okay, guys, this thing's already 7 minutes long. People like them short and sweet. So thanks for playing along, and we will see you on the charts.